love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice
Pong。Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。Alice，这个月我们叫大家要慢一点，对不对？
开慢点喂。
尤其什么事情一定要慢一点，很多人都开快车。
对。
This month we're teaching you the phrase to slow down, and I think one of the most frequently used scenarios is when people are driving so fast, and you hope that they slow down a little bit. Honestly, you're not saving that much time, okay? 开快真的没有省那么多时间了，好不好？
真的。
好，那我们就来教这样子的一个状况哈。不，首先慢一点怎么说？
开慢点喂。
开慢点喂 ，That means to slow down a little bit. All right， 你开慢一点，这样很危险，怎么说？
是开慢点喂啦。
是开慢点喂啦。
按用懂危险。
按用懂危险。懂危险就是很危险，对不对？危险 that means dangerous. Okay, slow down a little bit while you're driving. That's very dangerous. And usually 这时候开车的人都会自以为很厉害，
很厉害。
对啊，很讨厌这种态度，你知道吗？放心啦，我开车技术很好。会这样子说，
我常常听到这一句话，我就会很生气。
Don't worry, I have great driving skills, and that's really a wrong attitude, but this might happen.
放心啦，
放心啦。
我是查嘅技术懂好。
我是查嘅技术懂好。技术就是技术 ，right? Skills 懂好就是 very good。我开车的技术多好啊！
是没错。
都是
对，结果小心前面有一只狗。
Oh my goodness! Yeah, a lot of times when you say that, it's like Murphy's Law, right? It's like when you feel like you're good at something, you're gonna have some problems, all right? 小心前面有一只狗 ，Be careful, there's a dog in front of you. Oh my god, 这很危险呢。
对呀。
All right, 怎么说？
生意。头前有一只狗诶。
头前有一只狗诶，狗就是狗。Woof woof. Gil is the dog. There's a dog in front of you. In front 就是头前 right? That's 前面。小心啊！生意好，真的不要开快车 ，OK？ 大家在收听，是不是开太快了？慢一点哈。All right， 我们来 review 一些 phrase，OK？ 包括危险 （dangerous）、
危险
and then 技术 （skills）、
技术
and then 小心 （be careful）。
生意
and it's all about the phrase to slow down， 要慢一点。
开慢点喂，
开慢点喂 ，All right， 大家都有乖哈，要开开心心出门，
平平安安的回家。
虽然很老套的一句话，但是这是事实。That's today's Practical Hakka。
什么太嘎？
俺自say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.